It's right across the street. Yeah, we didn't go in.
Yeah, the set must feature them.
I hopefully find
Of new modern parents where they take bits and pieces of their heritage and to make sure that we instill the values in them, but at the same time we continue to evolve. I feel like they all have their own little character to them. For example, we have Tiger Bear, who is incredibly impatient, just wants to go out there and thinks he knows all that, but super like rash. It's like that's the angry, aggressive one, but super cute at the same time. And then we have Panda Bear, who is just always eating, always sleeping, always just like a blob. And I actually think that the television show itself adds so much value to the existing IP that we've created. Just to share a little bit more about the current work that we're doing, we're creating this metaverse of an arcade where we pull together other communities together into this hub where we can all create this shared experience. And the Littles World is that hub.